everyone, this is Carl from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a quick video when you're getting this error here, when you're trying to import a solution into the Power Platform. So the import solution must have a higher version than the existing solution it is upgrading. Now what this basically is you've got your source environment, you've got your target environment, your destination environment, and the version on the destination environment is higher than the one that you're actually trying to bring in. So as you can see here, the solution I'm trying to import is version 19, but if I just close this panel, there you can see the solution that's already here is version 21. So it's actually quite quick to fix this. All you need to do is just make the version higher for the solution that you're importing. So if I just go back to my source environment and select to export the solution again, and then when you select next here, you can set the version that you want to export. So if I now just put that to 22, just so we know that that is higher than the destination. So now if I just try to import that again, there you can see we're no longer getting that error, and we can now go ahead with the import. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.